Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Amathema amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Uzoqala ngeindaba ke ishock abantu abaningi namhlanje iphume namhlanje sizwile kuthiwa iBaroka FC. Baroka FC isi-announcile i-signing yayo entsha i-left back bafethu the former Mamelodi Sundowns player uTebogo Langamane. Abaningi bathukele ngempela ukuzwa le indaba but ke umjida uzodlalela iBaroka FC right now udlala le ku-NFD. Let's hope umjida uzodlala kahle ayisize iBaroka FC but ke I don't think umjida usasalelwe iminyaka eminingi ade vele aqala ibhola la eSouth Africa. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje uthe uDenny Jordan uyasho ukuthi uyafisa ngempela ukuthi umbekezeli imbukazi adedelwe Orlando Pirates ayodlala ku-Under 20 World Cup ayosiza iBafana encane ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi ifike idlale kahle lapha. Umjida wenza kahle kakhulu for iBafana yes but isifiso sakhe ukuthi ahambe ayodlala lapha. Uyasho ukuthi sino goalkeeper right, yes sino goalkeeper alright, sine attack right, sine midfield right, sayidinga i-defense right. Yabo umbekezeli imbukazi angaba umdlali omuhle kakhulu lapha uthi ayosize Under 20 players. So ngangitshela ama comments, should Orlando Pirates release umbekezeli imbukazi? On my side I think Orlando Pirates kumele release, because if you look at the talented players we have currently Orlando Pirates, because leya tournament izobe ingo December kuphela. It's only December. Umshida vele I know vele umbekezeli imbukazi will be part of a squad vele siyodlala for AFCON 2. I don't know abo ngikabili kodwa ngikabili but angayisisa impela bafethi Under 20 FIFA World Cup but ke kuyaFCON samdinga nakhona. It's a complicated issue. Ngangitshela ama comments, should we release him? Kwezinye izindaba bafethu umdlali bafethu odlala eCape Town City lo mjida lo intwana encane uSifumba una 20 years old kuthiwa umjida ula eDurban uyatrainer with iDurban City. Akaziwa kwamanje ukuthi ideal izoba kanjani but kuthiwa ujima with iDurban City iclub lesasana promoter kweBetway Premiership. Currently iCape Town City FC ile ezansi ku-NFD yabo. So umfana omncane lo udinga i-team azoyidlalela. He's a very skillful player. He needs a team he can play for. I think iDurban City might be the team akwazi ukugrow kuyona akwazi ukudlala kahle. Ngisakuyona nje bafethu iDurban City kuthiwa after parting ways with the Orlando Pirates uHolhlahlisa usebonakale ejima with iDurban City. So umjida okwamanje usajima with iDurban City. He is looking to secure a deal with Durban City. Durban City, they are still assessing the player. They want to look if umjida is more capable to play for iDurban City noma bazomkhahlela yena. Do you think umjida mela ajoin iDurban City noma aqhubeke ayo approacha iMarumo Gallants? Because mengomulahle iMarumo Gallants yenye ama club adimfuna ukuthi ajoin back. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu TS Galaxy. iTS Galaxy bafethu izwe ukuthiwa kunama team ase-Croatia. Yabo kunama team ase-Croatia bafethu afuna uPhuso Ditsejana umdlali lo udlalela iTS Galaxy. Asazi ke noma iTS Galaxy izovuma yini ukuthi imjida imdayise. Kwezinye izindaba Orlando Pirates iconfirmile namhlanje ukuthi igoli le-month, goal of the month Orlando Pirates leli goli elikore uLebo Siyema ngosikhathi sidlala against uBit College. Igoli elihle bafethu leli but ke okuyindida but ke leli igoli livotelwa ama-fans. Igoli goal of the month iOrlando Pirates, igoal of the month iPSL Betway Premiership ileli kaSibelebele yabo kuPSL but kuOrlando Pirates ileli kaSiyema. Mahle uma uthiwa amagoli ungangitshela ama comments iliphi ebekumele Orlando Pirates ilikhethe la yabo. Mahle uthiwa amagoli but leli I think leli belideserve kakhulu nalo futhi leStelis ngosikadlana neStelis belilihle. It's a tough decision but ke it was a good thing ukuthi Orlando Pirates iqhamuka ikhetha lona leli. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu ama-world rankings la eAfrica bafethu ase-updateiwe lapha ku-number 1 kuneMorocco, Senegal, number 2 Egypt, number 3 Algeria, number 4 Ivory Coast, number 5 Nigeria, number 6, number 7 kuTunisia, masukuthi iMorocco masukuthi iCameroon iCameroon ibu number 8, Bafana ibu number 9, masekuthi Mali ibu number 10. So Bafana isikhona ku top 10 bafethu kancane lokho ikhuphuka nje. Globally number 55 yabo umhlabeni jikelele number 55 but ke la eAfrica number 9 siloko sikhuphuka kancane siyosondela lapha. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke namhlanje bafethu kuthiwa le apology la discirculator nje le kuthiwa ikhishwe iOrbit College amanga lawo bafethu ithi iOrbit College ayikho into eshiwo ucoach akaxolisi ngalezinto azisho ku live radio, uzisho nje ngempela live awashintsha amagama akusho yashiwo la kuthiwa Orbit College has dismissed the apology to monopoly selling circulating online yabo. Kuthiwa mfethu uManaga Matome said via the far post ade khuluma nabeyindaba kuthiwa there is no statement issued by the club. Okushilo nje ukushilo. Kwezinye izindawo futhi ayiphumile bafuthiwa ukhanyisa mayo sesukile ke le Algeria uza nje la eSouth Africa yabo uza la eSouth Africa uzojima with the Kaizer Chiefs umjida uzojoina amakhosi on a season long loan. Kuconfirmiwe ke namhlanje bafethe indaba engikhuluma ngazo izolo uOhizu sesijoinile iswelele on loan from Isikhukhune United. Isikhukhune United si serious kule season. Uma umdlali umedelela bayamenza sure ukuthi umjida bayamdedela. Ohizu ke ungomunye wabadlali lo bafethu obe renewal contract yakhe with Isikhukhune United, but ke he was suspended by the club after bethole izinto eyingekho right umjida azenzile usejoin Isikhukhune right now on a season long loan. It looks like lo mjida lo icareer yakhe izophela kusona Isikhukhune because i-contract yakhe be-extendile bizophela ngoJune 2026. Kwezinye indaba engizwile bafethu Orlando Pirates isivule ama-talks with umbekezeli Mpokazi kuthiwa ngenzeka ithi contract yakhe ithi extendwa kancane yabo. Indaba ezimnandi ke lezi for Orlando Pirates uthi ithi extend kancane i-contract yakhe umbekezeli Mpokazi because he's a future star. If they extend i-contract yakhe lokho kunganikeza Orlando Pirates i-boost eningi yokuthi uma kufika ama-team afuna ukuzomsayina umjida bamsayine ngemali ethi ukuba xaxa yabo, ethi ukuba xaxa kakhulu yabo. But ke abantu abaningi bayabuza ukuthi ngabe ngempela is it a good thing ukuthi labadlali labasibadedele baye eEurope? Are we not good enough in thina la eSouth Africa? I-question ke leyo ngiyibekela wena. Do you think abadlali abaningi kumele sibadedele baye eEurope noma kumele beze la eSouth Africa? Uvane lo bafethu ungakhohlwa ungifollow lapha e-Instagram ngiyatholakala ngoVane Sports. Uma ungifollowa ngizokufollowa nje back. Ngiyathola futhi na ka Facebook ngoVane Sports. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for i-support eningiyeza yona. Ngangitshela ama-comments how do you feel about indaba engilethele zona namhlanje. Uvane lo bafethu. Ngiyabonga.